In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Zoho CRM to find the official WhatsApp extension and install it with confidence. A quick note before we begin. Your interface might look slightly different depending on your edition and permissions. Ideally, you should have administrator access to install extensions from the marketplace. Start by signing into your Zoho CRM account and heading to the settings area. Look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of the CRM interface. That gear opens the central setup panel where you manage features, users, and integrations. If you don't see the gear or can't click it, check with your CRM admin to make sure you have the necessary access. Inside settings, find the marketplace section. This is the hub for all CRM extensions and add-ons. Opening the marketplace ensures you're pulling the integration from a trusted, verified source. It also lets you check compatibility, read reviews, and confirm the extension supports your CRM region and edition. Within Marketplace, switch to the All category so you're viewing every available extension. This is helpful because some items are grouped by category or highlighted as featured, and you don't want to miss the one you need if it isn't featured on the landing page. Now, use the search bar in Marketplace and start typing "What's." You don't need to type the full name. Partial keywords will surface relevant options faster. As results load, look for the listing named WhatsApp for Zoho CRM. Verify you've selected the correct extension by checking the publisher details and the description that mentions WhatsApp integration features for Zoho CRM. Click into the WhatsApp for Zoho CRM listing to open its details page. Here you can review the overview, screenshots, pricing if applicable, and any documented limitations. Take a moment to scan the permissions the extension requires and confirm they make sense for messaging functionality. When you're ready, click Install. Zoho CRM will guide you through the standard installation flow. Depending on your org's policies, you may see prompts to review permissions or choose which users or profiles will have access. That's normal and helps you control who can use the integration. If a confirmation dialog appears, proceed to accept the terms and continue. Once installation completes, you'll see a success message indicating the extension is active. That's it for the installation. From here, you can proceed with configuration and provider setup as instructed by the extension, but the core process of finding and installing WhatsApp in Zoho CRM is complete. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.